Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a gender swap in CapCut. So if you want to change a gender of a certain person on CapCut, you need to use a picture. So if you use a video, you can't do the gender swap. So here I've already add a picture to my CapCut. So just click on a picture that you add, then just go straight to style, and in here swipe through the options until you find the gender swap options. Okay, this one, there are two options. You can change the gender from female to male and vice versa. So just click on the option, and you can see now the picture has been changed into a woman like this. So the result may not be perfect, but that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.